Are you looking for a modern technology? Then you are in right place. Here we present the latest and greatest trailers you have not seen before. If you like the video, gives a thumbs up, subscribe the channel and share the video. 123 Solar is the innovator for industrial mobile solar power generators. 123 solar generators store the sun's energy and converts the power to electricity, clean, reliable, and renewable energy without the ongoing cost of fossil fuel. Designed as a temporary power solution to AT&T, T-Mobile, and Verizon since 2018, 123 Solar continues to innovate with the most powerful transportable solar power plants in the world. 123 Solar is the innovator for industrial mobile solar power generators. 123 solar generators store the sun's energy and converts the power to electricity, clean, reliable, renewable energy without the ongoing cost of fossil fuel. The perfect solution for disaster, telecom, farm, and construction. The FlatTrack equipment trailer is a new innovative equipment trailer designed to allow trailer owners to overcome some of the existing challenges they may experience with standard equipment trailers. The unique, low-clearance drop deck design of the FlatTrack trailer allows trailer owners to load and transport all types of equipment, including man lifts, scissors lifts, roller compactors, and even pallet jacks with ease. In addition, the FlatTrack is ideal for transporting low-profile vehicles, such as classic or antique cars. Standard features available in a rigid frame design, FRH series, for a super low load angle, or with a front frame knuckle, FCH series, so that the trailer bed goes down flat on the ground. High tensile steel frame, 3/16 steel diamond plate deck, 80 clear deck with durable anti-slip deck coating, innovative torsion bar, suspension, 14 Ga diamond plate fenders, 2 and 5/16 adjustable coupler, 12K top wind, bolt-on drop leg, Jack Dexter, self-adjusting electric brakes, mod wheels, and radial tires, high-quality urethane paint primer, and top-coat sealed Phillips modular wiring harness, grommet-mounted LED lights, lockable A-frame toolbox, weld-on D-rings, onboard battery charger. Available options: 12K hydraulic jack, aluminum wheels, spare tire, and wheel, 5-watt solar panel, charger, spare tire, mount, winch mount, additional D-rings, adjustable Pindley ring loader, wire. The Safari Heliport trailer is custom-made for transporting your Safari or other helicopter. For experienced pilots, landing can be done directly on the cargo bed. You are 15 minutes from fly to drive. Its cargo bed is 8 feet by 16 feet. Each trailer has 2,500 pounds tandem axle suspension, 4 wheels and 1 spare wheel. The trailer is designed to tip forward, allowing for the attachment of ramps included for manual loading and unloading. A full-width splash guard is located at the front to help protect your Safari from road damage. Each trailer comes with front and rear blade braces. When the helicopter is secured in place, these blade braces allow you to support blades for travel. No need to remove blades before traveling, and none to reattach when you get there. Trailer frame and accent areas are painted black. The balance of the trailer is gray in color. Highway trailer lighting, tongue jack with caster and ball hitch, with safety chain are included. Apple, Volvo, Tesla, and Cruise collaborated on the Pebble trailer, and the outcome is impressive. Not only can Pebble power itself for a week in remote areas, but it could also move on its own, for example in a parking lot, thanks to 2 electric motors. These motors also help the towing car use less fuel. Comfort hasn't been overlooked with the 7. In the heart of mid-Wales, we design and build saunas that are at one with nature and an outdoor lifestyle. Built with quality, sustainable materials, our energy-efficient saunas integrate traditional sauna building knowledge with contemporary design to provide you with a greater sense of well-being, expansiveness, and connection to nature. Mission: to seek wild vistas and outdoor adventures, to design saunas that connect you to nature to enhance your sense of well-being and improve your health, to build saunas that last with quality, sustainable materials so that tomorrow, your sauna and this planet's stylish luxury saunas are handcrafted in a Welsh forest and can now be heated by Hume heaters and stoves. When starting construction on a new sauna, the future owner is even invited to walk through the forest with them and select the trees that will be used. Turkish startup SeaLVans has launched 2 innovative amphibious caravan models that combine the features of a boat and a traditional caravan. After successfully creating a series of prototypes last year, the company is now releasing its camper boat versions onto the European market. Known as the Seal 4.20 meters and Seal 7.50 meters, these amphibious vehicles are a unique solution for adventurous families who want to explore both land and sea without the hassle of switching between different modes of transportation. The SeaLVans amphibious caravan can function as a traditional land-based caravan or a fully functional boat, depending on the intended use. Unlike other amphibious vehicles, SeaLVans transition between land and water without the need for additional modifications or complex procedures. The primary distinction between the 2 versions lies in their dimensions and finishes, which are dependent on the size. The Seal 4.20 meters, 13.8 feet, is a compact version, weighing under 750 kilograms, 1,653.5 pounds. It's specifically designed to serve as your other suitcase for shorter trips. Due to its smaller size, it's ideal for up to 2 adults, and depending on locals' laws, may not require any special permits for use on the water. Alternatively, the Seal 7.50 meters, 24.6 feet, is intended as a family holiday vehicle, as it accommodates up to 3 adults or a family of 2 adults and 2 small children. It resembles a conventional double-axle caravan on land, but its contemporary aesthetic becomes apparent with the inclusion of a panoramic